Hello everyone! In this video, I'll show you how to transfer money from Swedbank to PayPal. First, open the PayPal app or website and log in to your account. Next, go to the Wallet tab. From here, tap Transfer Money, then select Add Money. Choose Add Money from your bank. And now, enter your Swedbank account details, including your account number and any required information. Follow the on-screen steps to confirm the transfer. Once done, PayPal will process it and the money usually arrives in 3 to 5 business days. And that's it. That's how to transfer money from Swedbank to PayPal. Thanks for watching! If this video helped you, please like and subscribe for more helpful tutorials.